Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If your garage or workshop is in need of some organization, check out this organizer from Extreme Max. This is a really great way to keep your pneumatic and air tools neat and organized and keep your workshop looking tidy. So this is made from aluminum. It is very durable and it's really well made, and it has slots for 10 different tools, and it kind of has a little shelf so you can actually place things on top of that as well. There are 4 holes for installing with screws, and we chose to install this right against the wall of our garage. And you can also put this into a trailer or anywhere that you need to store tools for any type of job. So we had this installed in under 5 minutes, and we're already able to organize all of these air tools, and wow, it just made such a big difference in our workshop. So we are super happy with the function of this really nice organizer from Extreme Max. So we would definitely recommend this high quality product, and that's my point of view.